A kayak anchor is specially designed to keep your craft from drifting in the water while doing things like fishing. The ideal kayak anchor will be small enough to transport and will be especially useful for angling. Finding the perfect kayak anchors can be overwhelming with so many options, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best kayak anchors from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Gradient Fitness Marine Anchor. This anchor is made in the USA. This is important to some kayakers. In addition to bringing a little color to your kayaking experience, the Gradient Fitness offers convenience. The flotation buoy is made from PVC, while the marine-grade rope has a stainless steel snap hook. The anchor itself is built using durable material and is rust-resistant. The manufacturer says that it is designed for the outdoors and can handle any environment. The Gradient Fitness kayak anchor will hold in rocky, muddy, weedy, and sandy bottoms. You can use it in salt water since it is rust-resistant. Its use is not limited to kayaks only. It will work for your SUP and small boat as well. It comes with a marine-grade rope and a PVC buoy. As already mentioned, the rope has a stainless steel hook attached. Number 2. Marine Kayak Anchor. This is an anchor by kayakers for kayakers. That would explain why many people love it. And why wouldn't they? It is reasonably priced and awesome. The best marine is built with galvanized material. It is the real definition of rugged, and you don't have to be careful with it. This anchor will work well in both freshwater and saltwater. It holds strong in every environment, so you can use it pretty much anywhere. The best marine is designed for small personal watercraft. The anchor comes with a storage bag and a 40-foot line with a white buoy. All these items are of good quality. For the price, you can't complain. The best marine anchor holds kayaks in place even when it's a little windy. One user used it for 2 kayaks, and they didn't drift. The quality is great. Some kayakers have used this anchor in salt water for a while, and they haven't noticed any damage. It is reliable. Number 3. Extreme Max Grapnel Canoe Anchor Kit. The Extreme Max anchor is a great option for anyone on a tight budget. It is way cheaper than most kayak anchors, but don't underestimate it. The rope that comes with this anchor is made using polythene, and it has a steel snap hook. Its marker buoy is made using marine-grade foam. The anchor is galvanized to make it corrosion-resistant. The Extreme Max anchor is meant to be used in heavily weeded, rocky, and coral bottoms. It works for all kinds of small watercraft, kayaks, SUP, inflatables, jet skis, and small boats. This anchor kit includes a padded nylon storage bag, foam marker buoy, plated steel snap hook, and a polythene anchor line. Users love their Extreme Max anchor. It may be light, but it can hold heavy loads, especially in the ideal bottom environments. Those that have used it in wavy conditions say that the foam won't last. Many have also had to buy a longer rope. Those are the only complaints. Number 4. Airhead Complete Grapnel Kayak Anchor System. You can always trust a manufacturer that has been in the game for long. For 27 years, Airhead has been making water sports equipment and accessories. Their anchor is worth checking out. The Airhead Grapnel anchor is made using durable but lightweight materials. It won't weigh your kayak down, but it will last. All the accessories in the kit are reliable as far as quality is concerned. Like many other anchors on this post, the Airhead will hold in rock, gravel, sand, and mud. It is corrosion resistant, and you can use it in salt water. The Airhead comes with a nylon padded storage case, rope, stainless steel snap hook, and a plastic buoy. According to many kayakers, the Airhead works perfectly. It easily handles a lot of weight. Some users say that the rope is poorly attached. This is not a big deal. They just undid it and retied it to the bottom of the anchor. Problem solved. One kayaker complains that it does not hold well in sand. Number 5. Marine Now Portable Folding Anchor for Kayaks. The Marine Now comes as a complete anchor kit for all your personal watercraft. It may look small, but it digs in really well. Check out its features. Build quality. The anchor is built using sturdy materials and is galvanized. It is extremely durable, and you won't have to replace it in a long time. The included rope and buoy are also decent. The Marine Now is designed for kayaks, canoes, jet skis, sailboats, and paddleboards. It will anchor your kayak anywhere, Whether the environment is rocky, sandy, or weedy, the IT comes with a soft but strong rope. The anchor line has a steel hook and a red buoy. A padded storage bag is included too. Users say the Marine Now anchor is well packaged. The rope may be soft, but it is exceptionally strong. Although some kayakers had to attach a longer rope, they are not complaining. The Marine Now does a great job even when it is windy. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.